Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. Thank you so much for deciding to come and spend some time with me on today. If this is your first visit, thank you. If you are returning again, thank you for coming back. Well, I would like to start off by saying if you are not currently subscribed to this channel, what you waiting for? Come on, hit the button right there at the bottom of the screen and become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We would love to have you. We really would. So, today is kind of a bittersweet moment for me. I am here to unbox the Onyx Box. Okay, yes, it's that time of month where we go ahead and open up and see what's in the box for women of color by women of color. So the reason I say that it's bittersweet is because this, just in case you haven't heard, is the final. I don't want to call it final because I'm hoping some kind of way it'll be revamped and they'll come back and say, well, this is the new and improved Onyx Box. But as it stands right now, this is the last Onyx Box. So yes, this is a very bittersweet moment for me, but let's just get into it and see what's inside. And of course the impactful symbol, which is here on the top. Okay, and it is the Adinkra sign of peace and unity. Our monthly celebration unites all skin tones and hair textures to discover the joy in Black beauty. We see you, we are with you, we are Onyx. Okay, and of course, as always, you open it up and you see all of these beautiful shades of us. Okay, as soon as we open it, there are our cards on the inside. All right, and the first one is our description card. This month's Onyx Box is bare necessities. So we'll come back and talk about this in a minute. The next thing, this is a sneak peek of what's actually in the box. So I'm not going to tell you about that yet. But we're going to go ahead and go to bare necessities so we can find out exactly what is in this box. Okay? Wow. I'm not going to read this. But I will post it on the page. This is actually the letter that they sent to all of us who are part of the Onyx Box family, letting us know about this 6-year journey, but how it is now coming to a close. So let's get into the products. Well, the first item in the box is Glossy Milky Jelly Cleanser Mini, which is this right here. Okay, and this one is a conditioning face wash. All right, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price on this one right here is $9. All right, and of course this is what we use to cleanse our face. Okay, to take out all of those impurities and things like that. I'm not going to squeeze it out. I'm just going to open it. Oh, it just has a regular cleanser smell. It's nice and thick though. And the good thing is it's in a pump. So you can just squeeze a little bit onto your fingers and, you know, go ahead and massage it in and clean up the skin. Okay? Okay, this says here, this will be a shoo-in for your daily routine. Okay, this is the Glossy Milky Jelly Cleanser, and it is a conditioning face wash. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $9. Okay, then we're going to go to the next item, which is also by Glossy, and this one is Cloud Paint in, well, it gave us a choice of colors, but mine is in the color Dawn. All right. Oh, the packaging is really cute. Look at that. Okay, and let's see. I did see them do a try on the on Instagram, so I am gonna go ahead and open it. It's a pretty color. Woo! That is bright. That's bright. That's bright. That's bright. That's bright. That is bright. Okay, so I squeezed a little bit on. This is the color, y'all. That is quite bright. Okay, I'm gonna say that's a little too much as a blush, so I'm gonna take quite a bit of that off. It's actually this orange color that's right here. Wow, look at that. That is some kind of serious pigment. I don't think I've ever really worn an orange blush, but that's gorgeous right there. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on the Glossy Cloud Paint in Dawn is $18. Okay, and like I said, this packaging is gorgeous. Now, if the full size comes like this as well, beautiful. Okay, then our next one, which is the spoiler that they gave us this month, is by Iman. Okay, and this one is the Perfect Eye Pencil. It's a beautiful brown. Okay, and it says, actually, it says it's in jet black. So the packaging is brown, but the color of the pencil, the Perfect Eye Pencil, is jet black. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $8. Okay, do y'all really want to see this? Probably so. So let's go ahead and open it. I did take the paper off just now so we could swatch it. Okay, there's the jet black. Okay, and that is right next to the Glossy. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $8. Okay, then the next item we have is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Soothing Body Wash. Okay, and this is designed for severely dry skin. Okay. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $8. I love African Black Soap Soothing Body Wash with oats, aloe, and vitamin E. Okay, this is one of the the good items, as they call it. It is paraben free. There is means no glycol, no sulfates, no animal testing, and no mineral oil. Okay, and then our final item is a throwback, and this is the Throwback Marzo Deep Treatment Butter. Okay, and this is such a large size. See that? Okay, and it says it's 5.3 fluid ounces. Deep treatment butter, post-wash hydration, and this is the Marzo hair care. All right, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $29. Now, I didn't say it in the beginning, but just for the sake of this box, I will be sharing with you the fact that the Onyx Box is a monthly curated box for women of color by women of color, and it goes for $25 per month. Okay, and you're guaranteed to get, guaranteed to get at least $65 in product, which we do. So the cards that came in this box, well, of course, it's a beautiful picture of Iman, and this is about the perfect eye pencil, expertly defines and lines eyes, gently line close to lashes, gently line close to lashes to define eyes for added softness, smudge evenly. And we have a coupon to go online as part of the Onyx family to get 20% off your entire order. And it does say online only though. Okay, and you do have to be a part of the Onyx Box family. Okay, and this one tells us about the Glossy products. It says, hi there, we're Glossy, and we make products inspired by the people who use them. Here's our best-selling Milky Jelly Cleanser, the ultimate daily face wash. Use on dry skin to dissolve away makeup and grime, or on wet skin as you start your day. Plus, Cloud Paint, seamless cheek color, a buildable blush that's hard to overdo. I don't know, that has some serious pigment to it right there. It says, shop the rest of our lineup at Glossy, and while you're there, take 10% off using a code that comes in the Onyx box. Okay, so that is the Onyx box for the month of October. I'm telling y'all, I am so sorry to see this box go. I have enjoyed it every single month from the very first time that I experienced it. Love, love, love the Onyx box. And so my final showing of the Onyx box. And to you, I would like to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending your most valuable asset with me, which is your time. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely hit the subscribe button on your way out. And while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you will always be the first to know whenever I upload a video. So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.